In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to change task color in ClickUp step by step. This is a simple but powerful feature that helps you visually organize your tasks, highlight priorities, and make your workspace much easier to manage. Whether you're using ClickUp for personal projects or team collaboration, changing task colors can instantly improve clarity. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more ClickUp and productivity tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open your browser and log into your ClickUp account. Make sure you're signed in to the workspace where the task you want to customize is located. Once you're logged in, navigate to the list, folder, or space that contains the task you want to change the color for. Next, choose the specific task you want to update. You can do this by clicking directly on the task name to open its details, or by viewing it directly in your task list. Take a moment to confirm you're working on the correct task, especially if you have multiple similar tasks. Now, look for the color block associated with the task. This is usually visible next to the task or status indicator, depending on your ClickUp layout and view. Click directly on that color block to open the color and customization options. After clicking the color block, you'll see additional settings appear. From here, click on the three-dot ellipsis next to the block name. This ellipsis opens more customization controls, including color options. Once the menu opens, you'll see a selection of colors you can choose from. Click on the new color you want to apply to the task. As soon as you select it, the task color will update instantly, making it easier to visually identify and categorize your work. You can repeat this process for other tasks to create your own color system, such as using different colors for priorities, departments, or project stages. This small change can make a huge difference in how quickly you scan and manage your tasks in ClickUp. And that's it. You've successfully changed the task color in ClickUp in just a few clicks. If this video helped you out, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more ClickUp tutorials, and turn on notifications so you don't miss future guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.